So today's topic is methods of highway economic analysis. There are certain procedures to be followed while economic evaluation of highway projects. The economic evaluation of highway projects mainly consists of two components, that is nothing but cost component and benefit component. So the evaluation consists of qualification for cost component and the benefit arising of the project. There are several methods to evaluate highway economic analysis, but the most common methods used are net present value method, or we also call it as NPV method, annual cost method, benefit cost ratio method, internal rate of return method, or IRR method. So in this session, we will be discussing net present value method. In this method, the cost benefit associated with a project over an extended period of time and is discounted at a selected discount rate to give the present value. The standard formula for net present value method is NPV is equal to B0 minus C0 plus B1 minus C1 plus B2 minus C2 and so on up to Pn minus Cn divided by 1 plus I whole raised to 1, 1 plus I whole raised to 2, so on up to 1 plus I whole raised to n. So NPV formula is simplified as summation of Bt minus Ct divided by 1 plus I whole raised to n, where Bt is equal to value of benefit which occurs in the year t, Ct value of cost which occurs in the year t, I discount rate per annum in decimals, and n is number of years taken for analysis. Let us quickly start with an example by solving the problem. The cost of improving an existing road 25 kilometers long is 4 lakhs per kilometer. Road user cost with and without the improvement data are been given. Then accident cost with and without the improvement and maintenance cost with and without the improvement are given in the table for a 10 years period. After the completion of the improvement, assume discount rate of 10%. Find out whether the project is economically justified using NPV method. So this is the problem we are going to solve, and the table mainly consists of years, road user cost with improvement and without improvement, accident cost with improvement without improvement, maintenance cost with improvement and without improvement. So these are the data which is given in the table. So this is the solution. So I have simplified it by numbering it in tabular column consisting of years. Have numbered it as 1. Road user cost with improvement, I have numbered it as 2. Road user cost without improvement, I have numbered it as 3. Similarly, accident cost with improvement numbered as 4. Accident cost without improvement 5. Maintenance cost with improvement 6. Maintenance cost without improvement as 7. After numbering it in the form of tabular column, I have created another tabular column for simplification, that is nothing but years, that is n. So I have calculated benefit. So the benefit is nothing but 3 plus 5 plus 7, which is nothing but road user cost without improvement, accident cost without improvement, maintenance cost without improvement. The addition of these three will be giving you benefits, that is numbered as 8. So in next column we will be calculating cost, that is nothing but road user cost with improvement, accident cost with improvement, maintenance cost with improvement. So addition of all the three, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 of the numbered, will give you cost, and that is numbered as 9. So later, benefit minus cost, that is nothing but B minus C. So that is 8 minus 9. So benefit minus cost, that is number 8 minus 9, will be giving you benefit minus cost. So that is numbered as 10. For example, when we take it as year n for 1, so benefit 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is nothing but 126.5 plus 3.1 plus 2.5 will be giving you 132.1. So in case of cost, that is nothing but 2 plus 4 plus 6, that is 105.5 plus 1.1 plus 3.5 will be giving you 110.1. So similarly, you have to calculate benefit as well as cost for all the n number of years. So once you have calculated benefit as well as cost, you have to come to the next tabular column, that is nothing but benefit minus cost, that is 132.1 minus of 110.1, that will be giving 22.0. So once you have done with benefit minus cost of all the n number of years, so the last tabular column is nothing but the NPV formula, BT minus CT divided by 1 plus 0.1 whole raised to n. So BT minus CT you have calculated, that is nothing but 22.0 divided by 1 plus 0.1, n is nothing but 1. You will be getting it as 20. So similarly, for the n number of year of 2, so it will be nothing but 22.9 divided by 1 plus 0.1 whole raised to 2. So similarly, you are going to calculate for n number of years. Once you calculate for n number of years, you have to add, that is nothing but total NPV value of BT minus CT divided by 1 plus 0.1 whole raised to n. Add all the values, you will be getting it as 165 in this problem. So the next part of the problem is length of existing road is that of 25 km. So the cost of improvement of 25 km road has to be calculated. That is, for 1 kilometer it is that of rupees 4 lakhs per kilometer. So the cost of improvement of 25 km road will be 25 into 4, that is nothing but 100 lakhs. They have given discount rate, that is nothing but 10%. So I is converted into decimals, that is nothing but 0.1. So the n value will be that of 1 to 10 years. So the net present value NPV is equal to 165 minus 100. You will be obtaining it as 65 lakhs. So the value obtained is that of positive. So you can consider it as an economical project. If the value obtained is in terms of negative, then the project is uneconomical. So in this case, since the NPV is positive, the project is economically justified. So in this way, we have calculated the NPV method, whether the project is economical or not.